Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my room.
Are you busy?
Yes, I'm very busy.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
Is it ready?
Everything is ready.
Where's the pharmacy?
It's near the supermarket.
Where is an ATM?
Behind the bank.
How's business?
Business is good.
When do you get off work?
I get off work at 6 p.m.
Where does it hurt?
Here.
How's the weather?
It's very cold today.
Where would you like to go?
I like to go shopping.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is September 28th.
When you're leaving?
I'm leaving tomorrow.
What's your name?
My name is Meg.
Is it raining?
Yes, it's raining.
How tall are you?
I'm 6'2".
How much money do you have?
I don't have any money.
How old are you?
I am 16 years old.
What do you do for work?
I'm self-employed.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
How much money do you make?
$6 per hour.
How much are these earrings?
52 cents.
How much altogether?
$11.